Hi, James. Do you have a moment to talk?
Hello, Chloe. Yes, I just finished my report. I am free now. What is up?
Great. I wanted to ask you something. Are you busy this evening after work?
Let me think. No, I do not have any plans tonight. Why do you ask?
Well, I was thinking about getting some dinner. I do not want to cook tonight. Would you like to join me?
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I am also very hungry, and my fridge is empty.
Perfect. It is always more fun to eat with a friend. Do you have a favorite type of food?
I really like Italian food. I love pizza and pasta. But I also like Mexican food. Tacos are delicious.
Italian sounds good, but I had pasta yesterday. How about we try something else? Have you been to the new burger place on Main Street?
Do you mean the Big Bite Burger? No, I have not been there yet. Is it good?
Yes, that is the one. I heard it is amazing. My friend Sarah went there last week. She said the cheeseburgers are huge.
Oh, wow. I love a good cheeseburger. Do they serve fries too?
Yes, they have 3 different types of fries. They have curly fries, spicy fries, and normal potato fries.
Spicy fries sound interesting. I think I will try those. Do you know if they have milkshakes?
I am pretty sure they do. Sarah told me she drank a chocolate milkshake. It looked very tasty in her photo.
Okay, you have convinced me. Let's go there. I am getting hungry just talking about it.
Me too. So, what time should we go? What time do you finish work today?
I usually leave the office at 5 o'clock, but I need to send one more email. So maybe 5:30?
5:30 works for me. I have a meeting until 5:15, so that gives me time to get ready.
Should we meet here at the office entrance or should we meet at the restaurant?
It is better to meet here. The restaurant is not far. We can walk there together. It is only 10 minutes away.
Oh, is it walking distance? I thought we needed to take a taxi or the bus.
No, it is very close. The weather is nice today, too. Walking will be good for us before a big meal.
That is true. It is sunny outside. I need to stretch my legs after sitting all day.
By the way, is it okay if we pay separately? I am saving money for my vacation next month.
Of course, we can split the bill. Or we can just ask for separate checks. That is no problem at all.
Thank you, James. You are very understanding. So, are you excited about the weekend?
Yes, very excited. But let's focus on dinner first. I really need a break from this computer screen.
I understand completely. Work has been very busy this week. We deserve a nice meal.
Do I need to dress up? I am wearing my work clothes. Is the restaurant fancy?
No, do not worry. It is a very casual place. Your shirt and trousers are fine. It is just a burger shop, not a fine dining restaurant.
That is a relief. I hate wearing a tie while I eat. I always get sauce on it.
That is funny. Don't worry. They probably have napkins.
I hope they have big napkins. So, just to confirm, we meet at 5:30 at the front door?
Yes, exactly. 5:30 at the main entrance. Don't be late or I might eat without you.
I promise I will be on time. I never arrive late for food.
Good. I am looking forward to it. It will be nice to chat outside of the office.
Yes, we never really talk much during work hours. Everybody is always so focused.
Exactly. Well, I should go back to my desk now. I have to prepare for my meeting.
And I need to finish that email so I can leave on time. See you in a few hours, Chloe.
See you later, James. Don't work too hard.